Welcome! In Power Query, if you have a data set with lots of columns, it may become time-consuming and difficult to find the column you need through scrolling. In this video, I'll show you an easy way to jump to the column you require using the inbuilt Go to Column feature. In Power BI, the data set I am using relates to the energy efficiency of domestic properties. In this data set, I have 100 columns, and I would like to find the current emissions column. To find this column quickly, in the Home tab, if I click on the drop-down list on Choose Columns, and then select Go to Column, if you know the name of your column, you can put it in the search box. Here, I know my column contains the word emissions. So if I start typing that in, the current emissions column is the column I'm looking to find. And if I just click on that column name, then click OK, I'm taken directly to the current emissions column. If you don't know the name of your column, then Go to Column may still be easier for you to navigate through scrolling down the list of columns rather than across the list of columns on the page. You also have the ability to change the order of view of the column list by clicking on the A to Z button in the box in the top right-hand corner. The column names then appear in alphabetical order. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to hear more data hints and tips. Thanks for watching.